We're making a bat. Yeah.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like the video because I know you're going to like it. So let's get started. First, get your Sharpie, mine's right here. Or if you don't have a Sharpie, get like anything like colored pencil, marker, pen, anything. And here we go. Okay, so first we're gonna draw the wing. So go up and do that. And do this. Okay, so we got that. Do a hump. And do a hump. Mine is, I'm just going to put this extra space because this should be level to that. And then we're going to go down here like a little whoop, draw leg, and then go the other leg. And it shows it should be like this, should be over it. And let's draw the other wing from here. Let's go hump, huge hump, and a whoop, and a whoop, and hope you guys are doing good right now. I'm not that good because, yeah, mine's so big. This wing is good, this wing is not. Okay, so to the head, make sure you put that. And then for the ears, we go down and down by the side of his head. And then we make two black eyeballs. Make a little smile and things. And there's the bat. And now it's time for coloring. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Thanks, guys. That's Noah here. Thanks for coming to Doodleville. I hope you like my cute picture of a bat. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and a like, as many as you can. And leave me lots of comments down below on how great I am. So we'll see you again at Doodleville. Bat.